Gearing ratios are a key way to measure how much a company relies on debt to fund its operations. Let's demystify them. In finance, gearing is just another term for leverage. It tells us the relationship between a company's debt and its total equity. The most common calculation is the debt-to-equity ratio. It shows you how many dollars of debt exist for every dollar of equity. Investors look at this to gauge risk. Too much debt can be dangerous during a downturn, but some debt helps a company grow faster. High gearing offers higher potential returns, but it comes with higher volatility. Low gearing is safer but might limit a company's speed. Context is everything. Utilities often have high gearing because their revenue is stable, while tech firms often keep debt low. Remember, there is no perfect ratio. Always compare a company's gearing against its direct competitors to get a real sense of its health. Understanding debt is a huge step in fundamental analysis. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics.